How to import XML to WordPress with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Hey there! Welcome to this WP Ultimate CSV Importer video series. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of importing XML content into WordPress using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Let's get started. We already have the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin installed and activated. Click on it. This will take you to the import/update page. Step 1. Upload your XML file. Under the import/update section, start by uploading your XML file. You can choose the file from any of the available locations, but for now, let's upload it from the computer. Click Browse, select your file, and click Open. The file will begin uploading. Now, choose the post type where you want to import your data, like posts, pages, or a custom post type. In this tutorial, we'll import into posts, so we'll leave that selected. Just above that, you'll see that the Fresh Import option is selected by default. We'll keep it that way since we're importing new items, not updating existing ones. Click Continue to proceed. Step 2. Map XML fields to WordPress fields. This next step is crucial: field mapping. Based on your selected post type, the plugin will show the available WordPress fields that need to be mapped. You'll see a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. On the right sidebar, you'll find the fields from your XML file. Simply drag the relevant fields and drop them into the appropriate WordPress field areas. For example, drag and drop the post title field into the title box and map the post content field into the content box. Make sure to match all XML elements carefully to their corresponding WordPress fields. This ensures your data ends up exactly where it should. If you have custom fields, just match your XML elements to the corresponding custom field slots. You'll also see an option to apply filters. This lets you import only specific records based on conditions. For example, you can set a filter like if post title equals and provide a value, only posts with that exact title will be imported. To learn more about filter options, check out the link in the description. Once you've completed the mapping, give your mapping a unique name to save it. Then, click Continue. Step 3. Media Management and Import Configuration. Now we're in the final step of the import process. Media Management. Here, you'll choose how you want to handle media imports, like import all images as new, overwrite existing media, or use images if already available. You can also enable the Download Post-Content External Images to Media option. This will download any image URLs inside your post content and store them in your WordPress media library. Another useful setting is Media Import Path. This will help you to retain the original file path instead of the current month folder, which keeps the original file path structure of your media files. Import Configuration. Below, in the Import Configuration section, you'll find more important settings. Rollback. Save a backup of your site before import, in case any errors occur. Maintenance Mode. Enable this to temporarily take your site offline during the import process. Duplicate Handling. Turn this on to prevent duplicate imports. Choose a unique field to identify existing records. Category Filter. Filter and import only records that match specific categories. Adaptive File Processing. For larger files, enable this and enter a number to process the import in iterations. Finally, if you want to schedule the import, you can configure that here as well. Step 4. Start the import. All set? Click Import and let the plugin do its magic. Depending on the size of your XML file, the import process might take a few moments. Once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Step 5. Review your imported content. Now, head over to your posts, or whichever post type you imported to, and verify that all your content has been imported correctly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.